In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Circle.so group. Circle is a powerful platform that helps you build, engage, and manage communities with ease. Whether you're creating a space for a small team or a large organization, adding members is essential to fostering interaction and collaboration. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly add new members to your group. To start, you'll first need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Make sure you're using your admin credentials, as having the proper permissions is crucial for accessing the necessary features to add members. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a menu option labeled Spaces. Click on it to view the various groups or spaces you have set up within your Circle account. From the list that appears, select the specific group or space you want to add members to. This ensures that you'll be managing the right community and inviting people to the correct destination. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Members section. Here, you're provided with a couple of inviting options. Let's go through these choices. For a personalized approach, choose to invite via email. This method is ideal if you already have a list of email addresses ready. Simply enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite and then click Send Invites. It's a straightforward process that directly reaches potential members. Alternatively, if you're looking to invite multiple people without manually entering each email, you can share an invite link. Clicking on Invite Link allows you to copy a unique URL that you can distribute via email, your website, or even social media platforms. This method is particularly useful for reaching a broad audience and is perfect for public communities where the goal is to maximize participation. After successfully sending out invites or sharing links, consider assigning roles to your new members. This step is optional, but can enhance the organization and functionality of your group. Under Manage Roles, you have the flexibility to designate individuals as admins, moderators, or standard members. Simply select the appropriate role for each person and save your changes. Once your invitations are sent, members will receive them in their inbox. Upon accepting the invitation, they will automatically join the group, gaining access to all the content and conversations within. And there you have it. With these steps, adding members to your Circle. So Group is a simple process that ultimately enriches your community by bringing in fresh perspectives and fostering shared experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy community building!